Hello, it's Julia Things here, and I got bored and find some old sleeves in my cards and made the today's synchro cat deck. I take it out all the cards that you may not use anymore for other cards. Okay, let's start with 3 Decoichi. I just always run 1. So take out 2 cats, get these in. Toss 3. The upper one. Yeah, old school. On the 1. Summon a monk. This guy makes a canine magician, so yeah. Let's make a canine. Yeah, I'm running 2 spies. Let's make a canine magician. And yeah, that's just so many ways to make that fucking magician. Then I'm running 2 apprentice magicians and 2 old-bit vintage type magicians. 2 mystic tomatoes, cause like there's a lot of darks in here. You can search himself, you can search these 2 guys. You can search, he specifically search monk. Also spies, koichis. Yeah, and then 1 dad. 1 card trooper. 1 sand gun. 1 ray gun. The spells is 2 lightning vortex, 2 MSTs, 2 econs, and a book. So all the times it was 3 books. Yeah, it was 3 bonds and True Nade. Dark Hole instead of 3. Cold Plates. 1 Allure, 1 Smashing Crowd instead. Still 3 Reckless. Attack Choice that run Backman. 3 Covering Fires. 2 Magic Drains. Trap Dust Shoot. Don't want to show you the extra deck because I don't have that many synchros or stuff like that. Yes, I have an extra deck full of synchros, but that's like 3 Earthbones, I think. Yes, Earthbone, and I only have 1 Arcanite. My extra deck is like pretty new. You guys think, but I like it. It had win me game, but yeah, sometimes I don't even synchro summoning. Yeah. Of course, you're running this synchro, a canine edition, good old days.